How do creative teams organize project files for handover? Imagine passing a baton smoothly during a relay race. That's what a well-organized project file system does for creative teams during handover. It keeps everyone on the same page and makes the transition seamless. First, teams start with a main folder named clearly after the project, often including the date or version number. This helps avoid confusion later on. Inside this main folder, they create a structured hierarchy of subfolders, each serving a specific purpose aligned with the project workflow. For example, a folder labeled Brief contains the initial project instructions, client goals, and foundational documents. Keeping this concise helps everyone stay focused on the project's core aims. The Assets folder stores all external resources like images, fonts, icons, and videos. These are often divided into subfolders such as icons, photos, or videos to make finding files easier. The Working Files folder holds editable source files like Photoshop or Illustrator files, along with drafts. For complex projects, teams often add subfolders by date or version number to track progress through different stages. The Feedback folder gathers client comments, revision notes, and meeting records. Linking feedback directly to specific file versions helps clarify what changes were made and why. The Final Deliverables folder contains the finished files ready for delivery, organized by milestones or dates if there are multiple phases. The Archive stores older versions or unused concepts, keeping the active folders clean. Establishing clear file naming conventions is key. Descriptive names like Homepage Redesign 30/2025-09-15, PSD, tell everyone what the file contains and its current status. Leaders also encourage using project templates on collaborative platforms like Figma or cloud storage. Templates provide a standard starting point, making it easier for team members to duplicate, renames, and add their work. For larger projects, organizing files by features, user flows, or design stages helps break down work into manageable parts. This reduces mental load and allows parallel work. Including a README or documentation file is also helpful. It summarizes the folder structure, key files, and any special instructions, acting as a quick guide for future users. Consistency and simplicity are the foundation. Starting with a clear hierarchy and maintaining, it prevents confusion and saves time during handover. Regular cleanup and archiving keep the system tidy and relevant. As a creative leader, setting these standards early, communicating them clearly, and modeling best practices ensures smooth project transitions. When everyone follows the same system, handovers become quick, efficient, and less stressful, keeping the creative momentum alive from start to finish.